Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can quickly find shared links from a specific chat on the Discord app for PC, especially after the new update. If you've ever had trouble digging through endless messages just to find that one link someone posted, this method will save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app is open, head over to the specific chat or server channel where you want to search. This can be a private DM with a friend or a group chat, as well as a channel in one of your servers. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the search bar. This is where all the magic happens. Click inside the search bar, and instead of scrolling forever to find a link, we're going to apply some filters that make everything easier. Start by typing, followed by the name of the user who shared the link you're looking for. This helps Discord narrow down messages only from that person. After that, type has link. Adding this filter tells Discord to only show results that contain links. Combining these two filters will instantly bring up all of the links shared by that user in the selected chat or channel. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of results, all neatly organized. Now, instead of scrolling through thousands of old messages, you'll quickly find the exact media or shared link you've been looking for. You can click on any of the results to jump straight to the message in its original context, which makes tracking down information simple and efficient. This new search feature update on Discord is a huge time saver. Whether you're trying to revisit shared resources, check out videos or articles someone mentioned, or simply organize your media, this method is the quickest and most reliable way to find what you need. Now you know exactly how to pull up shared links from a specific chat in just a few easy steps. No more frustrating scroll hunts, just smart searching within Discord.